where Delhi, with the numbers showing a further decline, has gone into unlock 3.0 now. What's allowed and what's not, we've got some details for you. All educational institutes not allowed to be open. Any sort of social, political, cultural, even religious gatherings not allowed. Swimming pools, stadiums, movie halls, public parks and entertainment parks, spas also will remain shut. But what is open, however, is markets and malls. Remember, earlier they were open on an odd and even basis, but at the moment they've been allowed from 10 a.m., all of them allowed from 10 a.m. to 8 p.m. in the evening. But remember, this is only on a trial basis, the Chief Minister said. If the numbers increase at the end of 1 week, we might go back to the odd and even formula. The big opening this week is going to be restaurants, which finally open, but with 50% seating capacity. Weekly markets also with 50% vendors, and places of worship, though open, will not be allowed to have people. Salons, though also open. Spas, however, will remain shut.
जो एक्टिविटीज़ पार्टली अलाउड हैं, रिस्ट्रिक्टेड एक्टिविटीज़ हैं, वो ये हैं। सरकारी दफ्तर जो पिछले हफ्ते स्थिति थी वही कि ग्रुप ए ऑफिसर्स 100% अटेंडेंस और बाकी सबकी 50% अटेंडेंस। लेकिन जो एसेंशियल एक्टिविटीज़ है जैसे अस्पताल हैं, दूसरी पुलिस है, ये वो सब 100% वो पूरी तरह से चालू रहेंगी। जितने मार्केट्स हैं, मार्केट कॉम्प्लेक्स हैं, मॉल्स हैं, वो अब पिछले हफ्ते ऑड इवन था, कल से पूरी तरह से सारी दुकानें खुल सकती हैं 10 बजे, लेकिन 10 बजे से 8 बजे तक शाम को। और जो रेस्टोरेंट हैं वो 50% सीटिंग कैपेसिटी पे काम करेंगे। हफ्ते में जो वीकली मार्केट्स है वो अलाउ की जा रही है, लेकिन एक जोन में एक दिन में एक ही वीकली मार्केट अलाउ की जाएगी। जो शादियां हैं वो पूरी तरह से अभी पब्लिक प्लेसेस के ऊपर शादियां नहीं हो सकती, बैंकेट हॉल में, मैरिज हॉल में, होटल वगैरह में। अगर शादियां होनी है तो 20 से ज़्यादा लोग नहीं होंगे और घर पे या कोर्ट में ही हो सकती है। फ्यूनरल, लास्ट राइट्स में 20 से ज़्यादा लोगों की उपस्थिति नहीं हो सकती। दिल्ली मेट्रो में 50% कैपेसिटी, दिल्ली की बसों में 50% कैपेसिटी, पब्लिक ट्रांसपोर्ट, ऑटो, ई रिक्शा वगैरह ये भी अलाउड है, लेकिन सबकी अपनी ऑटो और ई रिक्शा में 2 पैसेंजर्स, टैक्सीज में 2 पैसेंजर्स, फटफट सेवा में 2 पैसेंजर्स। और रिलीजियस प्लेसेस खोले जा रहे हैं पर विजिटर्स अभी फिलहाल अलाउड नहीं होंगे। तो ये मोटे मोटे तौर पे इस हफ्ते गतिविधियां अलाउ की जा रही हैं। मोटे मोटे तौर पे मैं आपकी जानकारी के लिए बता दूं कि प्रोहिबिटेड एक्टिविटीज़ जो जिन पे बिल्कुल मनाही है वो कौन कौन सी हैं। सारे स्कूल बंद रहेंगे, कॉलेज बंद रहेंगे, एजुकेशनल इंस्टीट्यूशंस बंद रहेंगे, कोचिंग इंस्टीट्यूशंस बंद रहेंगे। सोशल, पॉलिटिकल, स्पोर्ट्स, एंटरटेनमेंट, एकेडमिक, कल्चरल, रिलीजियस, फेस्टिवल, इससे रिलेटेड जितनी गैदरिंग्स हैं, कोई भी गैदरिंग अलाउड नहीं होगी। स्विमिंग पूल बंद रहेंगे, स्टेडियम बंद रहेंगे, स्पोर्ट्स कॉम्प्लेक्स बंद रहेंगे, सिनेमा, थिएटर, मल्टीप्लेक्स बंद रहेंगे, एंटरटेनमेंट पार्क्स, अम्यूजमेंट पार्क्स, वाटर पार्क्स बंद रहेंगे, बैंक्वेट हॉल्स, ऑडिटोरियम्स, असेंबली हॉल्स बंद रहेंगे, बिजनेस टू बिजनेस एग्जीबिशंस, स्पाज, जिम्नेजियम, योगा इंस्टीट्यूट्स बंद रहेंगे और पब्लिक पार्क्स और गार्डन्स बंद रहेंगे। ये प्रोहिबिटेड एक्टिविटीज हैं, ये बिल्कुल पूरी तरह से बंद हैं।
All right, the Delhi Chief Minister there detailing what's open and what's not. Remember, all these measures kick in from Monday morning. But the big relief really has come in for restaurant owners, which now can begin having customers inside, but with only 50% capacity. We have one joining us on the program. We've got Vineet Vadava join us. He's the founder and CEO of Fio Restaurants. Vineet, I'm sure you're hugely relieved at this point, but the focus now will shift on how do you maintain social distancing, how do you ensure that your places are not seeing any violation of the COVID appropriate protocols, especially restaurants, because remember, this is one place, dining is one place where you have to take off your mask. So how are you going to ensure and build in customer confidence?
I think first of all, the customer will have the confidence on larger spaces, which can very comfortably seat 50% with a good distance.
Right.
And the malls have a very strict protocol. You know, DLF has already taken very good care to vaccinate 100% of the staff. And practically now we have almost 100% of our staff is vaccinated. We have
You mean the first dose only at this point?
Beg your pardon?
You mean the first dose only?
Yes. Some of them have actually, the ones who are the senior staff who have crossed 45, they've definitely done with the second dose too. And I think that brings in a big comfort within the team. And as far as people walking in through the door, the protocols were already in place. And I think it's a re-practice, but this time both the workers as well as the clients are going to be much more cautious than before, than the first lockdown.
Right. So you're saying the second wave has really shaken up people, so it will take some time for them to actually come out again. And there's, you know, everybody's living in the horror of what happened even now. So that's going to take some doing. Also, very importantly, Arvind Kejriwal made these announcements with a bit of a caveat there over there, saying that this is a trial period of sorts. They're going to test out these unlock activities for about a week. If numbers escalate, if the positivity rate goes up again, the R factor goes up, that's the time he might go back to again odd and even, and perhaps shut down the restaurants again for in-person dining. Is that a good move? How are you planning to take it forward?
I think it's an excellent move. It's come so rapidly. The announcement has come this afternoon, and a lot of our staff is still in villages and their own hometowns. To get them back into place and to get the whole functionality of the restaurant, I think it'll take us some time. And also, there's no clarity so far on the alcohol front. And an 8 p.m. really does not is not a great boomer. It's a boomer actually for the entire restaurant trade, because practically our business is after 8 p.m.
Right. Now, just can you dwell a little more on the availability of workers there? You're saying a lot of your staff still hasn't returned?
Yes, they were waiting for our go-ahead because we were only open to takeaway. And so we were practically working with a strength of 20 to 25%. We still need, a good strength to return back. And some of them are not finding, a proper conveyance. And some of them are complaining that their trains have been cancelled, which actually is fairly surprising, that why would trains be cancelled?
All right. So slowly and steadily, Delhi moving back to a normal life. Fingers crossed, really. We really hope we've learned our lesson from the past. And after the first unlock happened, post the first wave, and we don't get into the disastrous situation again, a lot of that will depend on people like you, Vineet, to ensure that those protocols are followed. So counting on that. Thanks for joining us with your perspective on the program.
We're very thankful to the new excise policy, which allows us to serve everything outdoors. So I think the outdoors is going to be a big game changer now.